Hello dear students, today in GK class we will do page number 27 about some famous inventions. Answer the following questions choosing your answer from the option given in the help box. You can see there is a help box and from here you have to choose the correct answer. First one is, who is credited with the invention of the telegraph? Telegraph was the first communication system used by wires, and it was the faster and easier way of sending and receiving information. Its invention was done by Samuel Morse, who was an American inventor. Second, next is Wilbur and Orville Wright were the inventors and flyers of which mode of transport? As the sentence is indicating, flyers of which mode of transport, and we know that aeroplane is the mode of transport which flies. So Wilbur and Orville Wright were the inventors and flyers of aeroplane. They invented aeroplane on 17 December 1903 at Kitty Hawk, California. Next is, with which invention of Charles Babbage most commonly associated? Most commonly Charles Babbage is associated with computer. He was known as the father of computer. He had done research on machines that could calculate. Next is, John Logie Baird is associated with which invention? John Logie Baird did his invention on 26 Jan 1926 and his invention was television. Next, who invented the first commercially viable incandescent light bulb? That means जो bright bulb होता है, bright light bulb, and it was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Next is, with which invention is Guglielmo Marconi associated? And Guglielmo Marconi was associated with the long distance radio transmission. He had worked on radio transmission, so he is associated with radio. Next is, who invented the first telephone? Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Next one, what was the first developed by Ely Waterman? Ely means Louis Waterman. He had invented the fountain pen. Next, we will do other page, that is page number 28, and in this we will discuss about our solar system. Tick the correct option. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Solar system में सबसे largest planet कौन सा है? It is Jupiter. Which is the closest star to the earth? Closest star to the earth is sun. That is why कि वो हमें इतना बड़ा दिखता है as compared to other stars, क्योंकि distance of sun is closest to the earth as compared to other stars, इसलिए other stars हमें छोटे दिखते हैं. Which planet is also called Earth's twin? Mars is known as Earth's twin. Earth has dash moon. Earth has only one moon. This is the natural satellite of Earth. Earth is a part of which galaxy? The name of our galaxy is Milky Way and other name of Milky Way is Akash Ganga. Next is, which is the farthest planet from Earth? From Earth, the farthest planet is Neptune. It is the last planet in the solar system, that is 8th planet of solar system. Next is, Mars is also known as dash planet. Mars is also known as red planet because it has red soil. Thank you for today. Have a nice day.